In this video, we're going to look at the 4 selecting tools within Adobe Illustrator: the Selection tool, the Direct Selection tool, the Lasso tool, and the Magic Wand tool. The Selection tool is for selecting all of an object or all of the objects within a group of objects. So for example, if I click on this object here, it selects the entire object. If I click on this group of objects, it selects the entire group. The Direct Selection tool is a way to select one or more anchor points within an object, or to select one or more objects within a group of objects without having to ungroup. This is a fantastic way to make a change to one or more objects in that group without having to do a lot of operations to select, to ungroup, make the change, reselect, and then regroup those objects. The Lasso tool is a quick way to draw around the anchor points you'd like to select. So, for example, I can select these 2 anchor points. I can select the entire object. I can select anchor points in different objects or within a group of objects as well. You'll notice it does not select the entire group. The Magic Wand tool is a tool for selecting objects with a similar attribute. For example, a similar fill color, stroke weight, opacity, and blending mode, and you can choose one or more of these. I'm going to bring the tolerance down to 0 for fill color. I'm now going to click on my star, and you'll notice it selects the identical color down here in this particular square. I'm going to bring my tolerance up to 20, and doing the same operation, we'll notice it selects more within that range of colors. And then as I bring this right up, the tolerance level, we'll notice it selects more objects that are similar in color. And we can see how that's working now, selecting groups of that color. Now I can also do it based off of the weight of the stroke. Think of stroke as outline. And in this case, I know I have a 1-point outline in these 3 grouped objects. This square is a 1-point. This is a 2-point outline, a 3-point, and a 4-point outline. So clicking on any one of these objects, it should select all the objects with a 1-point outline. Well, in this case, it's actually selecting all of these. Well, that's because of the tolerance level. Let's bring this down to 0. We'll do the same thing, and we'll notice it just selects the objects with the same stroke weight. I'm going to bring this up to 1. It should start to select more similar objects, so it should grab the second box here, which is the 2-point outline. And I know that this one's a 4-point outline, so if I bring this up to 3, like we saw when I first tried this, it's going to select all of these boxes that have any outline that's within 1, 2, 3, or 4 points. And we'll notice these other boxes aren't selected because there is no outline or stroke associated to those objects. Thanks for listening.